Hi guys, I'm Ishan Sharma, and in this video I will show you how you can read images using Python. And by reading images, I mean how you can extract text from images. For example, this is a JPEG image, and what I want to do is that I want to extract all the text present in it. For that, first I need to install some dependencies. First, there is a system dependency. For Mac, it is brew install tesseract, and for Ubuntu, these are the commands. I will run this command in terminal. I've already installed tesseract, but in your case, it will get installed. So now I need to install two Python packages, pytesseract and opencv. For that, first I will create a virtual environment. And the command for that is python3-m venv, and then you have to name your virtual environment. In my case, I've named it as .venv. Now I will hit enter, and you can see here the virtual environment has been created. Now I will activate the environment. The virtual environment has been activated. Now I will install the packages. Now the project setup has been done. I will start coding. First I will increase the font size. Now I will import opencv using import cv2. Then I will import pytesseract. Now I will read the image using cvt.imread. Here I will give the image name dubai.jpg. Now I will read the text present in the image using the method pytesseract.image2string and pass in the image. Now I will print the text. So only these 5 lines of code will extract all the text present in the image. Now I will run this code. Here you can see that the text has been extracted. This is the description of Dubai. You can find the same description in here in the image. You can improve the text reading capabilities of pytesseract using page segmentation mode. I will link the documentation for that in the description. And that is it for this video. I hope you like it, and I will meet you soon in the next video.